Welcome back. Now right above the settings area, you are going to see any recordings that you have available to you. You have cloud recordings enabled. You're going to have a tab for cloud recordings, and you're going to see your cloud recordings listed in this area. You can share those recordings with other individuals, so what you'll need to do here is you'll need to click the share button and you'll have some choices available. You can share the recording publicly. You can make it so that only authenticated viewers can watch the video. You can add an expiration date to the video. You can make it so that viewers can download the video, or you can disable this feature. You can make it so that the recording is going to be on demand, meaning people can watch it whenever they want, and you can make it so that registration will be required when they do. You can password protect your recording, or you can turn off the password protection, and once you have all of the settings the way you want, you can click this arrow and then you can copy your sharing information to the clipboard, and you will then be ready to share your webinar with others. You'll also have a place for these recordings that are sent to your personal computer, and you can do that by clicking this Local Recordings tab. You'll see here that Zoom will list the location of your recording and where it is on your hard drive. You can actually delete that recording from your hard drive by clicking this button. This then is how you will be able to manage your recordings from within your Zoom account in the cloud. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.